VacationRenter is a platform designed to simplify the process of booking vacation rentals by aggregating listings from multiple major providers like VRBO, Booking.com, and others. When you land on the homepage, you're greeted with a clean interface that immediately prompts you to enter your destination, travel dates, and the number of guests. The search functionality is straightforward, and within seconds, you're presented with a wide variety of property listings tailored to your query. The filtering system allows for decent customization, price range, property type, amenities, and rating. However, some filters feel a bit limited compared to competitors. For instance, you can't always filter by cancellation policy or specific neighborhood unless those options are provided in the aggregated listings. What VacationRenter does well is its ability to pull in competitive pricing from other platforms, which gives users the chance to compare without visiting multiple sites. It's efficient, but keep in mind, you still complete the booking on the external site it links to, which means you're subject to that site's terms, not VacationRenter's. One of the more frustrating parts of using VacationRenter is that sometimes listings appear multiple times under slightly different names or photos, which can make it difficult to tell if you're seeing new options or duplicates. There's also the issue of availability occasionally being inaccurate because it's pulling from third-party data. This isn't always a deal breaker, but it's something to be aware of if you're trying to book something last minute. The mobile experience mirrors the desktop version almost identically, which is a plus. It's responsive and quick, and you can easily save listings to compare later. However, there's no account functionality that lets you manage bookings directly within VacationRenter. It's strictly a discovery and redirection tool. That means there's no loyalty program or incentive to stick with it over time, unless the comparison features are a big win for you. There was a time I got stuck between layovers with no hotel and no internet. That's when I first tried Trip.com, and now I carry it with me like a first aid kit. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Customer reviews shown on the listings are often imported from the source platforms, which is good because you're not just relying on VacationRenter to vet the property. Still, this means that if a listing has poor feedback on another site, it won't be filtered out here. It's on you to read through carefully. There's also no direct messaging system with property hosts, which some users may miss if they're used to Airbnb-style communication. In terms of pricing transparency, VacationRenter is pretty clear, though you don't see the final total until you're redirected to the booking provider. This can be misleading when you think you've found a deal, only to discover additional service or cleaning fees later on. Overall, VacationRenter is useful for travelers who want to quickly compare multiple listings across platforms without having to search them one by one. It saves time, but it's not perfect, and it doesn't replace a dedicated booking service. If you're the type who double-checks everything and doesn't mind booking externally, it can be a powerful research tool. Just be aware that it's more of an aggregator than a full-service platform. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews like this one.